Take a look at this expression. 3 multiplied by the quantity 2 plus 18 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. Pause the video, solve it, and comment your answer before watching the solution. Don't rush. Take your time, and once you made up your mind, keep watching to see if you got it right. A lot of people look at this question and quickly say the answer is 15. Here's how they get it. They solve the expression inside the parentheses like this. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Then they incorrectly do 2 plus 9 equals 11. Then they multiply. 11 multiplied by 3 equals 33. Finally, they multiply 33 by 3. Or some people mix up the order of operations in a different way and somehow end up with 15. But here's the problem. That answer is wrong. The reason is simple. We did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. PEMDAS is a rule that tells us exactly which operation to perform first whenever we have more than one operation in the same mathematical expression. Without PEMDAS, everyone could solve the same question differently and end up with different answers. Mathematics will become confusing because there will be no standard method for solving expressions. That's why students all over the world are taught the order of operations. So let's break it down. The letter P stands for parentheses. Whenever you see brackets or parentheses, always work inside them first. For example, 5 multiplied by the quantity 8 minus 3. First, solve the parentheses. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Now the expression becomes 5 multiplied by 5, which equals 25. Here's another example. 7 plus the quantity 12 divided by 3. Solve the parentheses first. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Now you have 7 plus 4, which equals 11. Next is E, which stands for exponents. Exponents are powers. For example, 4 squared. This means 4 multiplied by 4, which equals 16. Another example is 2 cubed. This means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which equals 8. If an expression contains exponents, solve them before multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction. Now we come to the part where many people get confused. The letters M and D stand for multiplication and division. Many people believe multiplication must always come before division. That is not true. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. So instead of choosing multiplication first, you simply work from left to right. Here's an example. 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 2. Start from the left. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Now multiply. For multiplied by 2 equals 8. Notice that we divided first because division appeared first. Now look at another example. 36 multiplied by 2 divided by 6. Again, work from left to right. 36 multiplied by 2 equals 72. 72 divided by 6 equals 12. We multiplied first because multiplication appeared first. The same rule applies every single time. Now let's talk about A and S. They stand for addition and subtraction. These two also have equal priority. So once again, solve them from left to right. For example, 20 minus 5 plus 4. Start from the left. 20 minus 5 equals 15. 15 plus 4 equals 19. Here's another example. 12 plus 8 minus 6. 12 plus 8 equals 20. 20 minus 6 equals 14. So remember this. Multiplication and division are solved from left to right. Addition and subtraction are also solved from left to right. That's one of the biggest mistakes people make when solving tricky math questions online. Now, let's go back to our original question. 3 multiplied by the quantity 2 plus 18 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. The first thing we do is work inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses we have 2 plus 18 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. According to PEMDAS, we perform division and multiplication first, moving from left to right. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Now we have 2 plus 9 multiplied by 3. Next, 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27. Now the expression becomes 3 multiplied by the quantity 2 plus 27. Now solve the parentheses. 2 plus 27 equals 29. Finally, multiply. 3 multiplied by 29 equals 87. So the correct answer is 87. If you got 87, congratulations. You follow the order of operations correctly. If you enjoyed this challenge and want more tricky math questions that test your brain, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video,